Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a lovely day. So today I thought I would do a little bit of a styling video, but in a different sort of way. I think I'm going to do this a couple of times each month, or maybe once a month, see how productive I am. And I'm just going to go through what I wore in a week, when I bought it, how I would style it in different ways, just to show you a little bit of versatility. And yeah, I thought this was a cute idea, so I hope you enjoy, and let's get straight into it. Okay, with each outfit I'm going to share a little IGTV on the side. So first up is Monday, and I think I'm just going to tell you my description of the day, what I was doing and reasoning to why I was looking like this. So on a Monday I wore cozies, and this is because I usually on a Monday have a bit of a admin day, which is perfect for me. I think it's just a really nice way personally with my work just to slowly get into the week, sit down at my desk, organise and plan out my week, obviously do my admin, editing. So it's a slow day, but it's quite a busy day on the laptop. So I make sure I'm super comfortable, no makeup usually. So I just received these cozy tracksuit ones from Tula Rose from Revolve. They're this gorgeous khaki and they are super soft. You can see they're that ribbed material. They are super cozy and I'm just so obsessed. They do come with a matching cardigan as well, but today I wore them with my usual grey jumper. But they're just so comfy, it's super soft and they are just snuggly. Quite firm as well, which is quite good because I feel like it is getting a little bit colder at this time of year now, which I'm kind of excited for. I love wearing super cozy outfits. So with that I paired my Zara v-neck jumper. It's this really nice mink grey colour and it's lovely, got a lovely really nice v-neck which is quite flattering as well. I always like to feel like when I'm obviously working and wearing comfy outfits, I always like to make sure that I look put together but super cozy. This was what I wore on Monday, and with that I have recently purchased a new pair of slippers inspired by my brother's girlfriend. I ordered these gorgeous fluffy White Company slippers. These are like a minky grey as well and I really love it. It's got these two kind of sandal straps. These are a size medium and I'm a size 5. Super cozy and just so fluffy. I adore the White Company. So yeah, this was my Monday outfit. I feel like I'm really showing you a true how I actually look, Instagram versus reality. But yeah, it was so cozy and I just felt like I was put together, freshened up, but still cozy and just ready to crack on with some work on the laptop. I purchased these the other day because I was feeling super cold in the house. And I was like, it's slipper time. So yeah, so obsessed with these. On Tuesday, I went and actually got my lashes LVL'd and it was a bit of a run around day. Still just kind of doing an admin day. So I wanted to feel really cozy and comfortable, but also as well I've got my act together. And it was a really nice outfit. I haven't got the dress on me today because it is currently drying from the wash, but it is this lovely short sleeve puffed midi dress which has got a lovely tiered style going down the dress and I absolutely love it. I did get it last year, but I am definitely sure that they're going to bring it out again and again because it is so timeless. I've been wearing it into winter to summer. It's just such a versatile dress. So today I paired it with my trusty green khaki denim jacket from Zara. I will link a similar down below, but I got this a few years ago and it's just a statement piece. I got it in a large as well just to make sure it looks super oversized, kind of really effortlessly. But yeah, really loved this outfit, super comfortable. Also as well, it's that time of year where it's a little bit cold, but also you have those sunny spells as well. So take the jacket off and you've got a short sleeve dress which is so lovely. And I paired it with my Fendi sandals and I've got everything here. My Fendi sandals and this bag. This is my shopping bag, which it needs a little bit of a clean because I poured coffee in it, which is very annoying. But this is from Accessorize. I actually got it in the sale. I think I got it for £8.99, which is incredible. But it was they were literally doing a clearance, so I snatched it up. But I will leave some similar ones down below. I just think it looks really lovely. It's a really nice, cool shopper's bag, but looks quite trendy as well. And it's got really nice straps. It's got short straps and then long straps that can go over the shoulders, or you can just carry it like that. Yeah, so this was my super comfy but like quite put together outfit, and I really liked it. This dress is just so versatile. You can dress it up, dress it down. I've done styling videos for it to like go out for Christmas parties and like parties in the winter. So yeah, really love this dress. I think it's super lovely. Oh, and I've also styled it as well with my checkered blazer and DM boots, which I'm sure I will be styling up again. So yeah, so this was Tuesday's outfit and it was really lovely. So next up on a Wednesday, this was more for an evening kind of early drinks. So I was working during the day, just really in my casuals and sports leggings, but I went out for some drinks and I wore this super like chic comfy look. I'm really loving, as you can tell, green and black at the moment. I had these pair of trousers from Topshop from last year, I believe. Ignore that it has my name on them. That's actually from my university. I had to do a collection and I labelled my hangers, but that's still really cute. So yeah, so I got these really lovely like pastel, they've got a touch of green in them. I want to say it's like a minky green, creamy green colour, like a really nice sage, and I've got a matching blazer to go along with it. But I really wanted to casual it down, and I think when you wear a blazer which matches the trousers, I think it dresses up just a tiny bit more. So today, I actually paired it with this little slinky number. I ordered this in my previous Zara haul, and I got a few colours, and I actually kept the black and the caramelly like taupey colour. They're a bit, this is an extra small and I'm a size 8, so they're really stretchy, so I did actually have to wear a bra underneath this because I've got quite big boobs. But to be fair, I didn't take my blazer off, so it was not really, wasn't a massive deal. But yeah, so I wore it with this really nice like slinky casual crop top, and I think they're quite essential to have in your wardrobe because they're so easy, so comfortable, and obviously it's so flattering. So yeah, I paired it with that and then my black blazer from Zara and some trainers, and I thought that looks really cool, just like really casual, really chic. Really obsessed with this outfit. I think that looked really lovely, and I just loved the like touch of colour, because usually I would have gone for like black or white trousers. So yeah, so I was really happy with that outfit. I think that looked really lovely, and I just love these trousers. They are so comfortable, and I could have definitely put this with a pair of little heels or some black DM boots. It's just such a lovely versatile outfit, and also as well really nice for workwear as well. If you wanted to put on maybe more of a basic t-shirt underneath instead of a crop top, that would look absolutely gorgeous as well. And I think these are so lovely because they're quite like oversized and quite wide. I think because they are quite smart, it makes them look a little bit more casual, so you can really dress these up and down. And yeah, I'm really happy I got these. I got this in a size 8, and it's a little bit big for me now, but they're like a really comfortable waist. I've still got room to eat a lot of food, which is always key. Next up, this is one of my favourite outfits. Sorry for the random hangers, but this is one of my absolute favourite outfits. If you didn't see it from my H&M IGTV haul, I got so obsessed with this co-ord. I leave a picture of me in it now. It's the grey blazer with some 3/4 length shorts, and it really reminds me of Pretty Woman so much. I feel like that style, which is coming back in, it's just, I'm so obsessed with it, and I don't get where people pull them out from the blue. Like, why haven't we been obsessed with them for the last years? So yeah, unless I just didn't see them. But yeah, I really love it, and this blazer was only £24.99. Really good style, really good size. I actually got it in a medium and quite happy with the size. Quite oversized, but still I quite like an oversized blazer. So you can see it on me, I'm a size 8, so if you do like it a little bit tighter on you, then I definitely go down the size, or go with the size I've gone for, or go even more. But yeah, really love this blazer, and again I've just paired it really with a classic white t-shirt and some white jeans. Super into white jeans at the moment. I think they're just such a good transitional piece from going into summer to autumn. It's especially on those lovely sunny days we've been having. So yeah, so I'm really happy with this outfit. I wear it with my Fendi sandals and also my new Chloe bag. Just such a statement bag to have in your wardrobe. I literally wear it time and time again. So yeah, so I thought that looked really chic, really casual, but really cool as well. And I really like that white on white look. I think that look gives it a bit more summery and a bit more difference from the every kind of like black outfit. So yeah, I really liked that. Next up, I am wearing this again. This was for drinks, I believe, on, I actually can't remember what day we're on. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I can't remember which day it was. This was either on Friday or Saturday, but I wore my black blazer again, and I actually paired it with my white basic t-shirt, which is just super comfortable and just so easy, and then some matching shorts. These are also from Zara as well, and I think with these together it looks super smart, so I really wanted to cool it down with a basic white t-shirt, and it just makes it look quite effortlessly cool and really comfortable. And then I paired it with my black Doc Martens, which I bought a couple of years ago, and I wear them time and time again. They're such a good statement piece to have in your wardrobe. I think with Doc Martens as well, they are very famous for always forever lasting, like you don't need to invest into new pairs. They're such a good high quality boot brand, so I'd really recommend getting a pair. I have the 8-hole Jadens, and it's got the zip on the side. I find these, and their platform, I find these really comfortable. At first I had to wear them in a tiny bit, but then some of my friends are fine with them and some of my friends really struggle with wearing them in. So it's on preference and personal experiences, but I found them absolutely fine. Just make sure you wear like quite thick socks around where you kind of get mainly blistered, and also at the top or where the boot finishes, that sometimes can cut. But yeah, I found them absolutely fine, and I've been wearing them all year, so yeah, I really would recommend them. So yeah, I paired them with some shorts because it's this time of year where it's a little bit cold but still quite hot, and I love getting my legs out. Super comfortable. And then on Sunday I just wore a super comfy oversized jumper, so I wanted to make sure I was so comfortable, and I was editing all day, so I wore my Topshop flares, which I've had for a year, and I'm gonna hopefully find another pair, but they're just super comfortable but so flattering. They just look so elongating on your legs, especially when you're like wanting to look quite casual. You still want to be put together and feel like good about yourself, or feel like you like your outfit. So I wore this oversized jumper, which I just love. It's such a lovely jumper, and it's a basic jumper, and I wore it with the Topshop flares and my slippers again. It was just such a cozy little number, and yeah, usually I wear that pretty much every time I have a cozy day. So yeah, that is what I wore in a week. These are really what I wear on a day-to-day basis, so I wanted to give you kind of like a really in-depth, realistic week of outfits, and I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to do this probably next week or the week after because I quite enjoy making these videos. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. It'd really support my channel. If you have any requests on videos for me to make, then please let me know, comment down below, or come and find me on my Instagram. My name is @withAmeliaTaylor. I will leave links down below, and like I said, every outfit is linked in order of how I featured it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.